I do believe that's an honor for me to take care of the whole family because that indicates they trust my skills and my knowledge. We treat any chronic medical problems such as diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol, and also we help people lose weight with medical treatment. We treat people of all ages, from children to my oldest patient is 180 years old. I have one family who come here to see me, and the grandparents, the mom and dad, and the children, I listen and pay more attention to their family issues. UH, they have all the specialty physicians that you can think about, and it's very easy to see them, and we can do the internal referral. Basically, I try to be very straightforward with the patient. For most of them, if they trust me, I just treat them like my friends.